Hello everyone. Today I am also describe a electric dipole moment in term of torque relation or the moment of force. First we are also try to explain to the what is the torque relation. Torque that was general relation is represented by tau is equal to vector F into d. What is torque? When the external forces applied at any object is moved around their own axis, that is known as torque. In our daily life, the many example of the torque to like as a tap, socket of door, and our elbow is also behave as the torque relation. Now today I am also describe an electric dipole is placed in electric field D that will be moved in the relation for torque clockwise and anti-clockwise. In given figure let us consider OAB. Electric dipole is placed at the OA in electric field D, then the relation is obliged that tau is equal to vector F into D. An electric dipole is placed in electric field that will be moved in the direction of sometime as clockwise and sometime is anti-clockwise. Therefore, the relation is tau is equal to vector F into D. We know that the relation of electric field E is equal to vector F upon Q. Therefore, Q is equal to F. Now we put the value F, equation number second, from equation first. Tau is equal to vector F into D. Now we put the value of F from equation second to first, QE into D. Now we find the third equation. Afterward, in given figure, the triangle OAB sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Therefore, sin theta is equal to AB and OA. OA that was the relation of electric dipole plus Q and minus Q, the separated distance 2. Now 2L sin theta is equal to vector AB R, that will be represented the displacement, and we put the value of D from equation 4 to equation 3rd. Tau is equal to QE into 2L sin theta, Q into 2L into E sin theta. Now we can write that relation in terms Q into 2L into E sin theta. We know that E is equal to Q into 2. Therefore, tau is equal to E sin. That is the general relation for the electric dipole moment in terms of torque. The electric dipole moment in terms of torque, it is also followed to the three case. Case 1, when theta is equal to 90 plus Q minus Q placed in electric field, then theta is from 90. Therefore, the relation of torque P is sin 90. Sin 90, its value is 1, therefore the torque is maximum in the case first. If theta is 90, then value of the torque is maximum. Another case 2. When theta is 180, therefore tau is equal to P sin 180. Its value is 0. Case 3, when theta is equal to 0. If the electric dipole placed in electric field in same direction of electric field, then theta is 0. Then relation tau is equal to P sin 0. It is also 0. We observe that the case 2 and 3, if the value are 0, but the case 1, when the theta is 90, its value is maximum. In the case 2, if the theta is 180, then electric dipole moment moved in opposite direction of electric. Okay students, we meet to next video in next day. Until then, goodbye.